Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 DIY beauty products for glowing skin. These products are all made with natural ingredients that you can find in your kitchen, and they're super easy to make at home. However, please note that everyone's skin is different, and what works for me may not work for you. So, always do a patch test before trying out any new skincare products. Product 1. Face Mask. First up, we have a DIY face mask that's perfect for exfoliating and brightening your skin. All you need is some ground coffee, honey, and yogurt. Mix them together, apply the mask to your face, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water, and voila! Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and glowing. Product 2. Moisturizer. Next, we have a DIY moisturizer that's great for hydrating and nourishing your skin. Simply mix together some aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil. Apply it to your face and neck before bed, and wake up with soft, supple skin. Product 3. Facial oil. For our third product, we have a DIY facial oil that's perfect for rejuvenating and brightening your skin. Mix together some jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Apply it to your face before bed, and wake up with a glowing complexion. Product 4. Skin Detox. Fourth on our list is a DIY skin detox that's great for removing impurities and toxins from your skin. Mix together some bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and water. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will feel clean, refreshed, and glowing. Product 5. Acne-fighting toner. Last but not least, we have a DIY toner that's perfect for fighting acne and brightening your skin. Mix together some green tea, witch hazel, and a few drops of tea tree oil. Apply it to your face with a cotton pad after cleansing, and enjoy a clearer, brighter complexion. And there you have it. My top 5 DIY beauty products for glowing skin. Remember to always do a patch test before trying out any new skincare products, and let me know in the comments which product you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching.